Bobcat mowers are engineered for the commercial operator and designed to get you the most out of your investment. That means reducing downtime, and for homeowners with large properties, it makes ease of ownership a priority. And that's the Bobcat advantage. Hi, I'm Angie, and I want to show you how Bobcat is dedicated to providing you with an industry-leading ownership experience. And it starts with serviceability. Bobcat zero-turn mowers are easy to own and efficient to maintain. All machines are engineered with intuitive access points to internal components, making regular maintenance hassle-free. Every Bobcat model features a smart flip-up seat and floor plate design that gives you access to the transmission, battery, fuses, and linkages for efficient repairs. And some models feature Bobcat's exclusive rotating rear bumper for engine access and cleaning. Bobcat makes upkeep simple. Equipped with removable, durable steel belt covers and blowout ports, you can easily protect your deck from the daily buildup of dirt and debris when the day is done. Oil changes are swiftly accomplished with our toolless oil change system. Simply remove the drain hose from the clamp, pop the cap to drain, and swap out the filter. And Bobcat makes it easy to work on your machine with a number of service and maintenance walkthrough videos, all accessible at bobcat.com. And because we're dedicated to you, every Bobcat unit is backed by an up to 2,000-hour limited warranty, including transmission, and an expansive national dealer network committed to keeping you up and running. The most dependable machine in the industry, producing the best results, all while being a pleasure to own and operate. That's the Bobcat advantage. To learn more, visit bobcat.com or contact your dealer today. Bobcat, one tough animal.